Welcome back. Today we're going to explore one of the most amazing natural wonders in Florida. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best hidden gems in the state, Rock Springs at Kelly Park. Kelly Park is located just 40 minutes outside of Orlando. It was donated by Dr. Howard A. Kelly in 1927 as a public park, wildlife preserve, and bird sanctuary. There are restrooms, showers, and changing rooms available at the park, as well as a concession stand to purchase food. The main attraction is Rock Springs, a freshwater spring that flows 26,000 gallons of water per minute from the face of the limestone rock. The water temperature is a constant 68 degrees, which is perfect for cooling off on a hot summer day. The park also has 7 miles of hiking trails, camping facilities, and a playground. The admission fee is $3 per vehicle for 1 to 2 people, $5 per vehicle for 3 to 8 people, and $1 for an additional person. Many people bring pool noodles or inner tubes to float down the springs. I recommend bringing a set of goggles or a snorkel set. This will enable you to see the beauty that lies just beneath the surface. You won't believe how stunning and refreshing this place is. So grab your tube and join me as I float down Rock Springs and discover its secrets. So sit back and enjoy as we float down this natural lazy river. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Rock Springs at Kelly Park is one of my favorite places in Florida, and I highly recommend you check it out. It's a great way to have fun, relax, and connect with nature. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel.